This is all about celebrating our dark skies and darkness, a beth ni'n gallu gweld pan ni'n edrych lan, what we can see when we look up. If you look up, what you see above your head at night is relatively unchanged from what would have been up there 2,000 years ago. You might bring someone here from 2,000 years ago and land them right here, and they'd look around and they would say, "My popeth wedi newid. Everything has changed." But then they would look up and they would see something that was familiar to them. Pan oedd y bobl amser maith yn ôl yn edrych lan, when they looked up, they saw shapes in the sky. They saw bears. They saw men who hunted and ploughed the land. They saw crowns. They saw animals. They saw people and gods and goddesses whirling up there above our heads.
I've come to see the stars and stories about meteorites and everything. Yeah. I learned that meteorites are really heavy.
I think it's a great way of sort of bringing the science of where we come from, but also the Welsh stories and the Greek mythology, which also talks about where we come from and what we learn about ourselves and how we link it together with the night sky. So it made a lot of sense. It brought lots of things together all in one.